On Shockwave Dragons, we're gonna repair this Hexbug Scorpion Poison Bot. So, how we're going up to get a butter knife or any type of cutting tool, and then like mine is my dad, and like he's gonna open it with a butter knife.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead here, and we got our L44 batteries. Yep, batteries. We got 3 of them here waiting.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go ahead and flip this over, just like this, and you'll see that there's a small screw above the switch. You turn it, and it'll loosen up.
Take it off.
Okay. Now Noah's going to place the batteries into the unit.
And by the way, once we get all 3, it will act really cool.
Go ahead, put the other one in. There you go. Good job. All right.
Last one.
All right, it's in. Good job, buddy. So now we got all 3 batteries in.
We close it.
I'm going to close this down.
Then we take the butter knife and screw it up.
And then go ahead, Noah, turn it on and it'll walk across. Put the tail back on, buddy.
I know you're saying, Noah, why does the tail always pop off when you do something?
Go ahead, hit the switch, buddy.
It's because it's loose. Ready? See?
Working again.
Bye from Shockwave Dragons.